In next few minutes, I'm going to break down exact affiliate marketing method that I use that costs $0. So first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. Next thing you need to do, you need to see are there any good products in that niche that you can promote and that you can actually sell and make money. So I'm here on Digistore24 marketplace, and then here, let's say for example, I will search diet. Okay, let's see what kind of products I can find here. And I will choose here English language. And here you can see ketogenic diet, vegan diet, 100 cookbook bundle, and so on. Now this is actually perfect for us. Here we can see ketogenic fat loss diet. And here we can see vegan diet. Now why is this perfect for us? Because we can actually promote two products at the same time and make money with affiliate marketing. So let's first see the potential of these two products. So here I will actually go on Google Keyword Planner, and here I will check how many searches keto diet has in United States. And let's click here on Get Results to see the results. And here we can see between 100,000 and 1 million monthly searches in United States alone, keto diet. Let's now check out vegan diet, okay? And let's say vegan diet. And let's click here on Get Results just to see the results. And here we can see between 10,000 and 100,000 monthly searches. So totally, I have a good audience with more than 1 million monthly searches on Google. So next thing I need to do, I need to go here on ChatGPT, and I need to make a quiz. Quizzes are great to promote affiliate products. And here I will give it a prompt. I will say something like this. Please make this interactive HTML quiz. It is important to be interactive, and also it is important to be HTML if you wish to add that quiz to your website. Topic of that quiz is keto or vegan diet, where people should answer questions that will help them decide on one of these two diets. When they answer all the questions, based on their answers, recommend them one of these affiliate products. Make the referral a subtle referral, okay? It would also be nice if the quiz was accompanied by related images for each question. And now just press enter. And now I will actually do exactly the same thing on Google Gemini. And also I will do exactly the same thing here on DeepSeek, just to see which of these three AIs will actually give me the best quiz. And here you can see they already started writing HTML code. Okay, let's check out to see what ChatGPT did. Okay, ChatGPT finished writing this code. So what I need to do, I need to click here on copy code, and I need to go on CodePen to see that quiz, okay? And let's just see that quiz. And this is how this quiz looks, okay? And here you can see rapid fat loss and appetite control. Let's say, for example, this one here, this one here, this one here, this one here. Explore Keto Starter Guide. Now here I need to add my Digistore24 affiliate link. So I will simply go back here. I will click here on promote, and I would get my affiliate link. So let me just go back here on ChatGPT, and here you can see further instructions how to add your affiliate link for each of these products, okay? Here you can see your vegan affiliate link, and let me just find keto, and here you can see your keto affiliate link. This you need to go back here on Digistore24 affiliate marketplace, click here on promote. This is my Digistore24 affiliate link, and all I have to do is just replace this link with my own Digistore24 affiliate link, and I need to do exactly the same thing here, but for this product here. Let me just close this. For this product here, vegan keto diet, okay? And let me just see what DeepSeek did. It is still writing, and let's see what Google Gemini did. And they also finished writing this code. So let me just click here on copy, and I will go back here on CodePen, and I will replace this HTML code just to see the results, okay? And this is how this looks. Actually, it looks really similar to ChatGPT. And check out here. Now, ChatGPT has a better Okay, here you can see how this looks, and here you can see call to action, and exactly the same thing. Here you can see example keto plan. This here I need to add my Digistore24 affiliate link for the keto product, for this product here, and I can do exactly the same thing for vegan product. And when people click here, they will be redirected to the sales page of this or this product here. So let's just see what DeepSeek did. Okay, they finished writing. Let's click here on run, and this is how this quiz looks. So let's say, for example, let's say this one here and here, just to test to see how this works. Okay, and see my results, and here you can see vegan diet, and explore this vegan toolkit and check out the quiz. Here I can add my affiliate link, my Digistore24 affiliate link. Actually, I like the DeepSeek best. Okay, so what I need to do, I simply need to click here on copy, and I need to embed this quiz to my website, or for this purpose I will embed this website on Google Sites. Click here on embed, and then click here on embed code, and I will simply paste that code. Click here on next, and click here on insert, and I added this quiz, and I will actually do this just to make it on one page. Okay, something like this. Okay, and I will make this also wider, like this. Okay, and when I click here on preview, I can see how this quiz looks. This is how this quiz looks, and when I click here, I can answer on these questions. Now people will like this quiz because it is interactive and it actually looks nice. So what I need to do next, I need to start driving traffic. Now to do that, I can simply go back here on ChatGPT, and I can give it a new prompt. I can say something like this: make an infographic of benefits of keto diet versus vegan diet compared. Infographics should be in 2 to 3 aspect ratio, and press enter, and now ChatGPT will make this infographic for me. And ChatGPT actually made 2 infographics, and this is how they looks. Here they even added a call to action. So what I need to do, I simply need to click here, and I need to download this to my desktop. After that, I can go here on Pinterest, and I can click here, and I can click here, and I need to upload this pin here. I said on purpose it should be in 2 to 3 aspect ratio, because that is the aspect ratio of Pinterest pins. And this is how this looks. And all I have to do now, I need to optimize this pin. I need to add title, description. I need to add a board, targeted tagging topics. And here you can see link. Here I need to add a link to my quiz. In this case, I will add this link here, and I need to paste it here. Ideally, your link should also contain your main keyword. And after that, all you have to do is just click here on publish. But you can also publish this infographic not just on Pinterest, you can also publish it on Instagram as an Instagram post. You can also publish it on Facebook, on Twitter, and other social media. But even better option is you can actually animate these infographics and make them a video, and you can upload that video on Pinterest, but also you can upload that video on Instagram as an Instagram Reels, on Facebook as a Facebook Reels, on TikTok, on YouTube as a YouTube Shorts, and in that way you will get even more traffic to your quiz, and you will start making sales. You will start getting visits to your quiz, and you will start making sales. The more videos you upload, the more quizzes you create, the more traffic you will get, and the more sales you will make. Now, this method will probably not give you results instantly, but you will start seeing results after 2 or 3 months by doing this exact method. So this is how you make money with Digistore24 affiliate marketing as a beginner in 2026. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.